Finally have some good news for you. The US dollar has finally crashed today. We have not seen a correction for the US dollar in quite some time. We haven't seen a real correction since the 7th of September. And at that time, that's when cryptos were able to pump, make some very big gains. And it's happening today. Let's see if the US dollar index is going to continue to crash and to go lower, because if it does happen, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the altcoins will follow the stock market going up. And we are potentially about to have a pretty decent month in the month of October. This is setting up to be a bullish month, given if the US dollar index can crash, and cryptocurrencies right now on a technical level, which I need to share with you right now, are setting up for another big move. So last night, cryptocurrencies were setting up. They looked very good, but they crashed. Yesterday, they crashed after the data news came out, and then it was looking like they were going to set up to make a bounce. But just as it looked like cryptos were breaking out, we had the US dollar index spike out of nowhere. And that caused another big dump in the crypto market, which we recovered already today. So Ethereum is $13.50 right now. Bitcoin is making its way back up to $20,000. So Bitcoin right now, we're looking at a major resistance level of $20,400. If Bitcoin can break this resistance level, which is probably going to be happening here soon, we are likely to see a pretty big move afterwards. So we're going to be waiting patiently for Bitcoin to make its move. Ethereum has broke out of this descending triangle pattern, and we are looking at a resistance level of about $1,400. If Ethereum can break this $1,400 with some momentum, with some volume, we're likely to see a pretty decent move for Ethereum as well. So I'm super excited about that. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are excited about this potential move that's going to be taking place. Let me know if you think we're just going to continue to go down and this is just some type of fake out, some type of little relief rally. Let me know if you think that that's possible. But given the understanding where the stock market is bouncing up a little bit, we are due for some green. We've been red for weeks and it's just been very bearish, but we are overdue. We are oversold. We are overdue for some green. We're overdue for some type of a relief bounce, which I believe will ultimately, here in the next coming weeks and months, ultimately end back in this downtrend here, potentially taking out the lows in June for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. So on a technical level, in the immediate short term, cryptos are bouncing up a little bit. We're breaking a little bit of resistance levels. We're getting a little breakout. We're going to see over the next couple of days and this weekend if we can actually get some decent breakouts here. And if we can set up for the month of October to be bullish. We also need to keep our eye on the US dollar index, which needs to continue to crash and to enter into a correction, which will allow cryptos to bounce, which will allow stocks to bounce as well, which is very much needed. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for staying to the end. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe with notifications on, and I will see you all later.